Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to buy USDT on Paybis using your mobile device. Let's jump right into it. First, launch the app. Once logged in, tap on the buy button located on the home screen. Next, under the You Receive section, select USDT Tether as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Then, enter the amount of USDT you want to buy, either in USD or your local currency. The app will automatically calculate the conversion. Choose your preferred payment method like credit card, bank transfer, or other options provided by Paybis. Review the details, including the fees and final amount. Once you are satisfied, click Continue to confirm. Follow the prompts to complete your payment. Depending on your payment method, you may need to verify your transaction. After payment, the USDT will be sent to your Paybis wallet or the wallet address you provided. You can view the transaction details on the dashboard. And that's how simple it is to buy USDT on Paybis using your mobile. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more finance tips and guides. See you in the next video.